The facts matter.
Good evening, everybody. This is Virgo, and it is March 2nd, 2021. Happy Tuesday to everyone. All right, everyone has been asking for an update on the Sharon Tracy Gale case, so let me tell you what information I have. All right, so you can see back here on 223 where Sharon actually filed with the court another defendant's pro se plea, whereby she is once again asking to try her own case. Not advisable in any way, shape, or form, as we know. Also holds up the court even longer because of the fact that if there is a motion or something that's filed within the court, then the judge has to take the time out to make a decision on that. So there we have that. Now you can see here where the filing on for the 2nd, which of course is today, and that was filed by a George M. Green. And I am not actually sure who that party is as of yet, but I do see that she's still with Judge Capelli. My guess would be that would be the state or someone within the court system that filed it here. But this is, it's probably the state. This is a criminal notice form that was filed as a notice of status for 3/16/21. So what that actually means is that they are looking at presenting possibly, it's the status of the case, basically. We already know that the state is not willing to drop the case, so they chances are won't be discussing that, but there's many of these that go on throughout a case quite frequently. So it's possible that they may once again, try to offer something to her, such as the last time the judge spoke to her, he offered for her to be heard by the bench and not have a jury trial. She refused that. She wants to try her own case. So here we are again with another notice of status meeting that will be happening on the 16th, and they will be finding out from the state whether they want to present anything to her in terms of, okay, you've served, at this point, almost a year and a half. If you plead guilty, we'll let you out for time served, and you'll be on probation for 10 years or something. I'm just making up something to give you guys an example. That is a possibility. She could reject that, go with her pro se argument that she wants to have, and wait for the trial, which is what my guess would be that she will try. There's also the opportunity for them to say no. The state is not willing to offer anything at this time. We're ready to go to trial. We have everything that we need. And that gives her the opportunity to say, I need, discovery for this or that, or somehow file more paperwork that might hold things up longer. But that is where we are currently at. We are currently at a notice of status on the 16th of March at 9 a.m. in courtroom 2 with Judge Capelli, the same judge that has been hearing all motions and everything pertaining to this. He has set a trial date multiple times, which has had to be continued for everything from the illness all the way to more filings that were put forth that he needed to make rulings on. So it seems as though once they get to the point to where they are ready to go to court, she files something that stops that. Whether she realizes that she's doing it or not, I don't know. She's clearly not well versed in actual law, and so she could be holding up her own case and not even recognize it. But regardless, those are the two things that have happened since the last update. The first one is that she has requested the pro se. Once again, apparently the armchair attorney that was given to her, she does not want to speak on her behalf. And of course, this notice of status change or update on the 16th, where the judge is checking in to see, are we ready? Is the case ready on both sides to go to trial finally? We're now at a point where we can start doing video trials, or perhaps they've started accepting juries in. I'm not exactly sure, but I know that that's what the notice of status is. So that's your update on the Sharon Tracy Gale case and docket. Any additional information that pops up, of course, I check this on a regular basis. I will let you guys know as soon as anything else changes, and believe me, it probably will. All right, everyone, have a great evening.